Welcome to Concept Craft. We are presenting step-by-step videos training to crack your certification exam, so you can gain the confidence to take on any accounting challenge. Now let's begin our today's lesson. Setting up bill pay powered by Melio. Learning outcomes. In this lesson, we'll cover using bill pay powered by Melio and the Melio app. Topics: overview of the pay bill feature, setting up and using bill pay, tracking the status of bill payments, bill pay FAQ, additional features of the Melio app, taking the strain out of paying bills. Your clients are busy people who want to minimize the logistical overhead that comes with their businesses. They need to pay their bills and vendors and keep their office running smoothly without spending a lot of time and energy on these tasks. How can QuickBooks Online help? Bill pay powered by Melio allows clients to pay and schedule vendor bills with ease from the office or from their phone when they're out and about. It's fully integrated with QuickBooks Online, making for a smooth payment experience. Overview of the bill pay feature. Available to clients using QuickBooks Online Essentials, Plus, and Advanced, and accountants in QuickBooks Online Accountant, the bill pay feature makes it easy to set up payments to vendors. What does the bill pay feature offer? With the bill pay feature, clients can streamline their accounts payable process by importing and paying all bills from inside QuickBooks Online. It also allows them to schedule future payments and never miss a deadline or incur a late fee. The feature gives clients control over which account payments come from. Clients can choose from multiple payment options and send checks or ACH payments to vendors quickly and easily. Another benefit of the feature is that the vendor doesn't have to create an account or set up anything. All they need to do is choose whether they want to get paid via check or enter their bank account information to receive payments automatically via ACH bank transfer. Where is bill pay available? The Melio bill pay feature is available in QuickBooks Online, but clients can also access the service via the QuickBooks mobile app. It's free to use the bill pay feature for the first 2 checks each month. There's a 2.9% transaction fee for credit or debit card payments, and each check each month after the second costs $1.50. Follow this link for more information on the pricing of Melio. Setting up and using bill pay. Let's look at how to set up bill pay in QuickBooks Online and use it to pay a bill. Watch the video to see how it's done. The individual steps are below for you to follow. Navigate to the Expenses Center, and from the New Transaction drop-down, select Bill. Alternatively, select Plus New, and then Bill. Complete the information for the bill payment, including the vendor, category, description, and amount. Then select Save and Schedule Payment. At the bottom of the screen, the Bill Pay Setup wizard will load. Select an option from the Choose How You Want to Pay screen. The options available are bank account, credit card, and debit card. Select how you want to connect to your bank account. In this case, we select Connect Instantly and sign in to the online banking. There is an option to manually enter the account and routing number and verify with 2 micro deposits. Note that this may delay your client's ability to use bill pay by a few days. Select Continue. Select the bank from the options and select Continue to proceed and enter the login credentials. The bill pay feature is now ready to be used and the bill is ready to be paid. Select the right payment account in QuickBooks Online. Select Link My Bank Account to establish the link for the payment. Now select the chosen method to use to pay the vendor. Choose either to send a paper check or set up a bank transfer if you have the vendor's bank account routing and account number. Alternatively, select Ask Vendor for payment details to allow the vendor to choose how they would like to receive the payment and enter their email address, then select Next. Set the date when the payment should be deducted. Notice that the estimated payment delivery date will be displayed. Then select Continue. To leave an optional memo for the vendor, enter the note and select Continue. This will appear on checks and payment notifications. Finally, review the payment and select Confirm and Schedule Payment. Tracking the status of bill payments. Once the payment is made, its payment status is visible in QuickBooks Online. Select each tab to find out more. How to view payment status. What the status screen shows. How to view payment status. To view the status of a bill payment, follow the steps below. Navigate to the Expenses screen. Open an existing bill payment transaction. Select View Online Payment. What the status screen shows. The payment details screen displays the following information. Which account paid the bill? The date QuickBooks Payments process the payment. How the vendor will receive the payment. The estimated delivery date of the funds to the vendor. Bill Pay FAQ. Let's take a closer look at some of the most common questions about bill pay. Select each heading to find out more. How is bill pay accessed? Clients can access bill pay from the expenses page or from any bill in the Pay Bills list. How are bill payments made? Clients can specify the payment method for each vendor, which can be either a direct deposit in 1 to 3 business days, or a paper check sent in the mail in 5 to 7 days. What if I don't want to use bill pay? Bill pay is now the default payment method in QuickBooks Online. However, if you or your client would rather continue to access the print check option or mark a bill as paid, follow the steps below. From the Expenses page, select Mark as Paid from the Action drop-down. Select a bill. Then select Save and Close from the drop-down next to Save and Schedule Payment. Pro Advisor Tip. Bill Pay powered by Melio is a great way to streamline the accounts payable process, even more so when using the Receipt Capture feature. The Managing Receipts and Bills lesson covers this feature in more detail. Additional features of the Melio app. While the new Bill Pay powered by Melio feature is integrated with QuickBooks Online, Melio also has its own app with additional features that aren't available in QuickBooks Online. Many of these are great for pro advisors, including Accountant Portal. You can access all your clients from one dashboard. Approvals Workflows. You can schedule payments, then the client approves the payment before it goes to the vendor. It's great for accountants because it shifts the final responsibility for making the payment back to the client. Multiple users. You can add other users who don't have access to QuickBooks Online. Invoices. Vendors that use Melio can send their invoices directly into the Melio app. Syncing. The Melio app syncs with QuickBooks Online, which means that bills entered in QuickBooks Online will show in Melio, and bills entered in Melio will show in QuickBooks Online. To find out more, visit apps.com or go to meliopayments.com. Summary. Learning outcomes. Well done. In this lesson, we covered using bill pay powered by Melio and the Melio app. Knowledge recap. Bill pay powered by Melio is a great resource that makes life easier for you and your clients. Coach them on how to use it and get the most out of it. Next steps. In the next lesson, we'll cover how to add and manage receipts and bills in QuickBooks Online.